All right, guys, welcome to the lyrics section of this course on songwriting. We're going to begin by just doing a brief overview of some of the principles that pertain to writing lyrics. One of the first things I want to talk about is something I briefly mentioned in the melody segment, and that is that there is a marriage between the melody of a song and the lyric that is being sung. So at its simplest level, basically we want to sing a lyric the same way that we would say it. So not just melodically, but also when it comes to expressing the basic message of the song, we want to do it in a way that is natural and that we couldn't imagine any other way of the message being expressed. So that means not reversing the emphasis of syllables and saying it on a melody that kind of emphasizes one part of the word, but you naturally wouldn't speak it that way, or not mixing up a sentence just to set up one word at the end to rhyme with a line before it or a line after it. So we want to make sure that we're not doing things unnaturally, basically. And one example of an artist who, in my opinion, has always done a great job of singing a song the same way you would say it, just really conversational style, is Paul Simon. And one great example of that is the song "You Can Call Me Al." So check that out, and also, if there's an artist that you're thinking of who is really great at just expressing the lyric in a really natural way, then feel free to put that on the message board. And also, as far as it goes with the melody, in the same way that there's the tonal clues that we can take from the way we would naturally speak a lyric, we also want to kind of make sure that we aren't adding a whole lot of melodic changes over single syllables. And what I mean by that is, in general, it's good to consider having just one note change per syllable of a word and trying to match those two up. And like I've said before, for every rule like that, there's a great example of a song or artist who can get away with the exact opposite. And an example of that I want to give as a reference is Coldplay's "The Scientist" song, and you'll hear Chris Martin kind of do a lot of melodic changes over single syllables and single words, but it all comes back to the fact that it works. So again, just a general principle pertaining to one syllable per melodic change. But again, check out the Coldplay song and just see an example of the opposite being done. So in this next part of this course, we're really going to dive deeper into some of the elements that help create a sound quality lyric in a song.